Good morning. I thought that I would walk you through what to do in Pretest 3 today. So I have 6 problems in Pretest 3. So I'm going to do 6 problems this morning. And what I would do if it was me as a student is I would watch the first example, and then I would have another tab open and do your first problem on the pretest, and then watch my second example and do the second one, because then they're going to parallel really well. But if you would rather watch them and then do them, that's fine too. Okay, so as we look at this problem here on the screen, we want to solve this equation for C, and it looks like that our C is getting multiplied by 2/3 and then added to a 23. So using what we know about solving equations, the last thing that happened when the equation was built is what we need to get rid of first. So I'm going to start out by subtracting 23 on both sides. So I have to be fair and do that on both sides of the equation. I think I'll go ahead and draw a little line here so I can check the fairness aspect of it, and we can see something happening in purple on both sides, so that's good. So what that will do is that we'll remove these 23s. I'll bring down the 2/3 C, and on the right side of the equals, let's see, that is 22. So now we have a C that is multiplied by 2/3. I want to get rid of that. What's the opposite of multiplying by something? Dividing. Well, with fractions, what we can do to make it look easier is when you divide with fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal. So let me switch colors here so that you can see what's new. Reciprocal means flip the fraction upside down. So what I'm going to do in green is multiply both sides by 3/2. So in green, you can see the fairness on both sides. And if you look at the left side, what will happen now is these 3's will cancel and the 2's will cancel, and you'll have that C by itself, which is exactly what we were hoping would happen. I'm going to go ahead and put that 22 over 1, because 22 divided by 1 is still 22. That will make the canceling seem more obvious. So if I look at the 22 and the 2, if I divide 22 by 2, I get 11. So what I have left in my numerators is 11 times 3, which is 33, and that is our answer.